Reaction to fire of combustible cable trays compared. This was the motto of the second Fire Protection Symposium of Brandschutzforum Austria, held in Graz on the 18th of September 2008. More than 150 participants were present when Reinhard Reher, head of the technology department of the SVT group, gave his introductory talk. After that, everybody went outside to watch the tests. SVT's Austrian partner Sicherheitstechnisches Zentrum West, SZW, was in charge of organizing the fire test program. The installation shows 3 cable trays with the same arrangement of cables. On the right, unprotected cables. In the middle, cables protected with SVT PyroSafe Flammotect A ablative coating. On the left, cables protected with the new SVT PyroSafe DG cable bandage. Identical gas burners were used to simultaneously expose all 3 cable lines to a fire at a temperature of 1000 degrees Celsius. The cable tray on the right has obviously quickly caught fire, while the coating of the one in the middle only changes its color and shows encrustations on its surface. After an intensive 10-minute fire exposure, the bandage-protected cable tray on the left only shows some slight decoloration and a soot layer. The unprotected cables on the right continue to burn, although the burners were stopped after 10 minutes. The PVC material obviously becomes soft and forms the dangerous droplets which can easily contribute to a spread of fire. The cable line in the middle, protected with ablative coating, does not continue to burn. Only some slight outgassing effects are noted during the entire cooling phase. The cables protected with the cable bandage were not involved in the fire during the entire test period. Neither was any critical smoke development observed. It can clearly be seen that the cables have hardly been affected by the fire. An insulating layer has formed on the interstice between bandage and cable. With the cable provided with PyroSafe Flammotect A protection, only the surface in the region of immediate fire attack has been damaged. There are no signs at all of fire propagation. Only a soot layer has formed in the darkened area. Even 30 minutes after the end of the fire exposure, the unprotected cables continue to burn dangerously. Some cables have burnt away to such an extent that they slip through the clips and drop to the floor, still burning. Although this test was performed outdoors, considerable amounts of smoke were produced, which in a real cable fire would block escape and rescue routes and can easily produce a deadly fire trap.